Wagwan people were there again. Let me tell you, say now. One thing me not promise nobody, you know. You see the dog lifestyle where me see Americans have and the culture, the dog culture where them have over here, so. That one there enough for me. Me not think that something where me can ever get into. Or get around to be comfortable with that. You see me? As me no know. Me no know, as I say, me no know if it's a island thing, me no know if it's a Jamaica thing. Cause you know, say we in a Jamaica. We have with dog them. But out the door they live. You see me, I say you eat and you chop piece of bone, give them and them something there, you scribble food, give them and them thing there. But out the door them live, out the door them there. I mean, I have nothing against dog. You see me, I say, or a person who own them dog. Because over here, say in America, you know, come like dog have more rights than you. You see me, I say, the culture over here, so a big pan animal, dog, in particular. You see me, I say? And me nah, this are no nothing against a man where own them dog or have them dog. If that a your thing or that a your thing. But me nah promise nobody say, yo, that a go be my thing. Me can't get round to it. Cause me have a little girl, you know. And she love animals, especially dog. She love dog. Anyway, me and her there, she see one dog, me have to hold on pan her. She want run, go pick the dog and then sitting and me have a phobia with dog from my picnic. When me and you dog bite me up and sit, you know. So me just don't like dog for a long time. So me just feel like no matter how little them be, any dog can bite. You see me? So me just have a feeling say, yo, I don't answer dog it name. No, me no, no. So me have to hold her everywhere me go. She want run go pet the dog them. You see me? I say everybody where she see, she want run go pet the dog them. And sometimes I say you see dog them are like girl and I go on and she no business. You see me? When me tell her, I say, yo, she always ask me say if me can buy one dog for her, I get her one dog for her. And me have to tell her, I say, you have to wait till daddy get a house, you know. Because so a dog can live in the backyard, out a door. You see me I say? And me I tell her, I say, you have to wait till I get older. Because you have to go take care of him. And me. You see me? Because when me see them people here do me there at the park. And me see them people here a walk back a dog. And I pick up. You get what me I say? With bag. I walk back a... Anyway, as me say, I know my thing that. See them with the bag and I walk as the dog drop it as so them pick it up. Enough of them, they even pick it up, they just left it there. Here come stepping at it. Yeah, man. Me tell her, I say, you have to go wait till you get big, you know, because them walk back a dog, they with scandal bag and pick up when the dog drop. Me not do it. And you have to go do that. And no dog can live in a no house with me. When me see them all have dog in a bed, dog in a settee. You see me I say, me know somebody where me see the dog jump up all in them bed and then something. And me I say, so, you know frighten the dog, mess up all your sheet and them something there. You know frighten the dog, mess up all the couch. And him I say, no, it clean. I say, oh, the dog clean. When he go out, when you carry him out that door, and in the bathroom, who wipe him bottom? Who wipe the dog bottom? Because him a come back and draw all of that remnants for your sheet and your carpet and your couch and all. As me say, that enough for me. That enough for me. Me don't know if it's a Jamaican thing and if it's a culture thing and how we grew up. Any Jamaican where have dog living on the house in a bed and him something there, I tap to no. Anybody at all. Cause I phone no think that. Me just can't do it. You see me? And as me say, I'm not against a person who own them dog and whatever. I fear lifestyle, I fear it, but me just can't get into it. You see me? I mean, I don't know if I because a dog bite me up and me just have the phobia there. Or I just the culture where I grew up knowing say dog fit out a door. Come here, so now me just can't readjust to it. If you have no dog lay down in a bed with me and the lick off mouth business and lick off face and all them sitting there. Mm-mm. Can't do it, man. Can't do it. And as we say, it's not an easy decision because my little girl, the minute she asks me for a dog. But as me say, when me get a house, as they say, when you reach a bridge, you cross it. When me get a house, then me will decide if me can do that. And when she get bigger, can me tell her, get bigger, because you have to go walk back home with the scandal bag, and you have to go take care of him. And he not living in a house. You can have a dog, but it's an outside dog. You see me? One time me carry her to Jamaica when she was 2 years old. And the dog would have at the yard. The little girl go out there and I pet the dog and I rub the dog and I say, Lele, leave the dog. No, daddy. And him go in at the house and I call the dog in at the house and the dog know better and stand up right at the veranda grill and nah pass it, you know. I know better than she. So he can't come in our house. And she say, come doggy, come doggy, come doggy. I said, no, Lele, dog can't come inside. She said, yes, daddy, he needs to come inside. I said, no. You see me, sir? It's a culture clash. Them used to that. We're not used to that. You see me? So, everybody is to each his own. Everybody different. You see me, I say? So, I just they say a thing there. Until the next video, bless upon yourself.